In this video, we will discuss the proper mechanical decontamination of the paintwork. This is a key element to ensure proper bondings of our coatings. For new vehicles, a synthetic clay towel of substitute is recommended. For older vehicles or those with heavy contamination, a clay bar is recommended. Remember to lubricate the surface to reduce marring. Start by applying your selected lubricant to the surface. If using a synthetic clay towel, lubricate all sides of the towel. Gently glide the towel over the surface. You have successfully decontaminated the surface when the surface feels smooth. Pro tip: removing the tag from your towel reduces the risk of marring. Once decontaminated, lightly wipe the surface using an MF1 microfiber towel until the surface is dry and free of decontamination.